In this lesson, we'll cover Axure Cloud. To open the Axure Cloud website, click the profile icon in the top right corner and select Axure Cloud. By default, the website's left side displays the menu bar, which includes organizations and workspaces. An organization is the top level and can contain multiple workspaces. The center area is for content, while the right side shows the activity log. Clicking the Recents menu on the left displays recently accessed files in the content area. In Private Workspace, you can create projects visible only to yourself. Click the Create button, select RP Prototype from the menu, and upload an RP project file. Select a file from your local folder, and during upload, you can copy the prototype's link or set an access code. Use the Replace button to update the uploaded document. Click Invite to create a new workspace and invite others. In the pop-up, select an organization and enter a workspace name. Returning to the main menu, you'll see two organizations, the one you created and any organization you joined. Click the button next to the organization's name and select Users from the menu to manage members. Click Add Users and assign roles, such as Guest, which allows view-only access without editing. Enter one or more email addresses, then click Add Users to send invitations. In the Settings tab, you can select Delete Organization or Leave Organization. To create a new workspace, click Add Workspace, enter a name, and then click Create Workspace. After creation, a pop-up allows you to invite members, control their permissions, and add an invitation message. To create a new organization, click Create Organization, enter a name, and then add users by specifying their role and email in the pop-up. Click Add Users. You can also remove users from invitations. To delete the newly created organization, go to Settings, select Delete Organization, and enter the organization name in the pop-up to confirm. Click the Join button next to a workspace in an organization we've joined to join that workspace. To bookmark a workspace, click the Favorite button. It will then appear under the Favorites folder. Click a workspace, and then click the Invite button in the top right to invite other users to join the workspace via the pop-up window. To leave a workspace in an organization we joined, click the Settings button in the top right and select Leave Workspace. In our own workspace, click the Edit button in the top right and choose Delete Workspace from the menu to remove it. To create a file within a workspace, click the Create button, choose RP Prototype, then choose File to import an RP file from your local folder. After importing, click the link under Share Link to open the prototype. Clicking the link under Members will take you to the Axure Cloud preview page for this project, the same page as before. Use the Download button to download the RP file to your browser. Hovering over a page thumbnail reveals Preview and Inspect buttons. Select Preview to view the prototype. In the Inspect tab, you'll find essential tools for front-end development. For example, selecting an item displays its size, position, content, typography, fill color, and CSS code in the right panel. By selecting the Image button, you can also download the chosen image asset